OneShot.ai reviews. Features, pricing, and alternative, AnyBiz. OneShot.ai revolutionizes outbound sales with AI, automating tasks to free up sales teams for meaningful client relationships. Founded by Gautam Rishi and Venki Pola, it emphasizes quality over quantity in prospecting through advanced machine learning and AI techniques, enhancing engagement and conversion rates with personalized communications. OneShot.ai offers tiered pricing tailored for businesses of all sizes, featuring flexible monthly and annual billing options designed to optimize sales operations efficiently. Core features of OneShot.ai: AI-generated messaging, ICP, ideal customer profile, lead sourcing, AI SDR, autonomous prospecting of website visitors, data enrichment, analytics, and dashboard. OneShot.ai streamlines LinkedIn, prospecting with AI-driven efficiency and robust data tools. Users appreciate its personalized messaging capabilities and seamless integration with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Challenges include initial confusion over its credit system, periodic UI changes, and concerns about product maturity and external platform limitations. User feedback on OneShot.ai varies across platforms. It's praised for AI messaging and LinkedIn integration, boosting productivity. Criticisms include a complex credit system and UI updates. Initial pitches complicate evaluation. AnyBiz stands out from alternatives like OneShot.ai with its continuous 24/7 AI operation, ensuring no missed opportunities. It excels in multi-channel engagement beyond email, leveraging extensive data for advanced decision-making. Integrated deeply with CRM and sales tools, AnyBiz provides a seamless, efficient experience for automating lead generation and engagement processes. Both OneShot.ai and AnyBiz provide interesting capabilities meant to increase production and results for companies looking at AI-driven sales solutions. Further research of what each platform provides can be quite helpful in helping you to decide which one best fits your company requirements. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.